Okay, see what's happening here. Oh my goodness gracious. Good morning, everyone. This is Larry with your Saturday morning weather update. Now let's start with the GOES satellite view this morning. Yeah, this is an interesting one today. Let me come on over here, showing you this. You can see it right now. I don't have it moving, but yeah, you see a whole bunch of clouds over here. Let me hit the play button. You can see everything moving all over the U.S. here this morning. This is pretty cool. Like I said, start with the Gulf satellite view this morning. You can see clouds stretching across nearly the entire country. Over the Great Lakes region, there's a large blue swirl spinning counterclockwise, slightly counterclockwise, you can tell. That's our upper level low. It's helping pull a cold front east towards western Pennsylvania. The blue color on the satellite represents the colder, higher cloud tops. Those are the clouds most likely producing rain. You can see plenty of them over the Great Lakes and the Midwest, with the rotation pulling bands of moisture towards us here in Erie. Okay, I think that's awesome. So let's head on over to the surface map and show you the crazy surface map and show you the crazy stuff there. Like, yeah, wow, look at this mess. Oh my goodness gracious. They got the stuff all over the place here. Now looking at the service analysis, and wow, the map is busy this morning. We've got highs all over the place. One off New Jersey coast, another one over Western Virginia, plus highs over Kentucky, Arkansas, Texas, New Mexico, 2 in Colorado, 1 in Wyoming, and another one up in Northern California. And yes, it sounds like I'm reading a script. I am, because there's a lot of info to put out, and had to have notes. And I'm not very good at reading stuff, but yeah, I'm giving it my best shot here. As the main cold front, the one tied to the Great Lakes low, runs from Canada through Lake Huron down across Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, and Kansas. Turns stationary in Colorado, loops northwest through Wyoming, Montana, then arcs down through the Idaho, Nevada, before ending in Southern California. Another stationary front. This is just off the east coast of Florida. That's connected to a weak coastal low moving north, which will bring storms later today near Carolinas. Okay, so yeah, let's head on over to the SPC outlook. Okay, SPC outlook today. The SPC map shows two green risk areas, one on the western half of the country and one along the east coast. Out west, the Great Lakes region. See Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, under a marginal risk for isolated, even severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Those storms will form ahead of the Pacific system that moves inland yesterday. Along the east coast, the marginal risk also appears along the North Carolina coast and developing coastal low. Could bring a brief tornado or gusty winds overnight near the Outer Banks. There's also a small light green area in New York showing general thunder chances at the Great Lakes approaching us. Here, an area where between it all. We are between it all, of course. No severe weather expected, but we'll likely see clouds thickening, a few light showers later today. So yeah, there you have it for the marginal risk. And as you can see the green areas here, all the way down there to Florida and up here in New York. And let's head on over and check out any hurricane info. Just time to check out the tropics. And here we are. And here we are. And over here into Atlantic, you can see in the tropics, we now have 2 active storms. Well, actually, I'm kind of seeing one. The Atlantic tropical storm Jerry is pulling away from the northeastern Caribbean Sea, but heavy rains may continue through the overnight hours for the northern Leeward and British Islands. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, we do have a disturbance here off of Africa. You can let me scroll up a little bit here if you want to. Well, that's a lot of stuff there. If you want to, you can pause this and read all that. And here's Jerry. You can pause and you can read that. So yeah, let's jump on. Let's see, this is the Atlantic. Let's go ahead and hop on over to the Pacific, over there. Oh, really? Okay. Over here into the Pacific. In the Eastern Pacific, Tropical Storm Raymond is approaching like Baja California. Sir, bringing heavy rains and tropical storm force winds today. As you can see in the other one over there in the Atlantic, Karen's gone over here. It looks like Priscilla's gone. The National Hurricane Center is watching a new disturbance just coming off the coast of Africa. That's over there in the Atlantic for possible development. Got marine warnings are in effect this morning for both both Southwest and North Atlantic and the Eastern Pacific. So, yep. Looks like we still have some stuff going on here. It's not really busy. I mean, it could be worse, but yeah, it's not really busy. There's Raymond. You can read that if you want. And that looks like the disturbance there. So yeah, let me scroll up some, see if we can't get all that in there if you want. I can't get it all in. It won't go. I think that's all of it. You can pause it. You can read this. Same thing with Raymond. You can pause that and read it. Okay. Okay. And yes, I am. Okay. And yes, I am from Erie, PA. Yeah, that's where I'm at, finding all this information for you. So, yeah, for us here in Erie, expect a cloudy morning with light south breeze and falling barometer currently around 29.95 and dropping slightly. Clouds will be continue to thicken throughout the morning with light rain or drizzle possible between 2 and 4 p.m. as the cold front moves through. Winds will shift from south to west or northwest late this evening as cooler, drier air moves in. So in closing, so it's busy map coast to coast today. Storms in the west coastal system on the east coast and 2 tropical storms in play. But, but here in Erie, it's just a calm, cloudy prefrontal Saturday. I have another update possible this afternoon once the front passes through and we see how much rain develops. Have a great morning, great day, all. And yeah, like I said, I'm enjoying doing this. So yeah, it's a possibility I'll come back later this afternoon to give you updates on what's happening. So yeah, this is Saturday, October 11th. I'm by no means a weatherman, and yeah, I just enjoy putting this information out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and possibility I'll see you later. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.